Hello everyone. So finally, I have taken the money that I have saved. This is the money that I saved from my mini savings challenges in 2021. I think I emptied these out all in December, and I was saving the money to get a computer. And I've been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. Do you recognize this store? Yes, yes, yes. It's Best Buy, and Will is meeting me here. Okay, more to come.
1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 50, 100. $800.
Yep. And the computer costs more than that. But I'm paying cash for that too, just through my business debit. But thanks, Will. This is the computer. But I have to wait until it's going to be shipped. So I wanted instant gratification to get it today, but you know,
Monday.
nothing's in stock anywhere in the United States ever. Stupid COVID. Hi everyone, it's Kat.
Will.
Yay! Hey y'all, first of all, thank you so much for all of the sweet birthday wishes for his wife. And I guess we're not enunciating our words well enough because everybody called her Cindy. Her name is actually Sydney, like Sydney. Anyway, but she was so excited about all the well wishes. I was reading her a lot of the comments. So thank you guys for those of you who watched Will and his birthday gift. Birthday gift. I have a birthday child, you know, marriage thing, and then my daughter's anniversary was this weekend too. Okay, so this is the rest of the unboxing or montage of the computer thing, but I wanted to ground you guys in this. So this is the binder that has all of the mini savings challenges in it, and when you add all of these up, if I do all of them and they all at the same time, they fund or I fill them up, this is well over $1,000. But last quarter, October, November, December, I did most of these and I saved $770, almost $800. And I decided to get myself a laptop. And this one, I know it's really girly, but it is very girly. And it took me a while. I couldn't make a decision. I needed Will to go with me. You know, it's just, I don't know. It's cars. I don't like to buy cars, laptops, phones, or internet, like, or cable. Like, I just don't like to do any of those. Cars, man. And he's a great car salesman. But anyway, so we went to Best Buy. We found the best deal for what it is that I need. And I just wanted to let you know that every little bit adds up. In 3 months, putting about $65 in a week, I saved up enough to pay for most of a computer. I paid all cash, and what I didn't have to cover it came out of the rest of my supply budget in my Etsy savings account. So we're gonna unbox it. Okay, you ready? Here, you keep going that way since you're there. Can we see? Yeah. Okay. Yay! It came yesterday. Uh-oh. I have these scissors too. It came yesterday, and if you guys don't know, I didn't realize until I started talking about it on YouTube that I have a lot of side hustles. Your mom does. I've always had a lot of side hustles. Like when Will was little and born, I used to do medical transcription. I'd get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I would type doctor's notes and operative notes, and then at 6 o'clock I'd get ready, and then about 6:30 I would get all the kids ready, and then, here, pull that out, and then I would go to work, and then I would come home, and it's upside down? Oh. Anyway, and so I was like, oh, so my, yay! Wait, this way. Look, y'all. It's gonna be, oh, and the reason why, I mean, I'm an HP user. I've always been an HP user. I think Mac is amazing. I'm just not familiar with it. And when I did my poll on the community tab, it was like 67% to 30-some% consistently. It didn't matter if there were 10 votes, 100 votes, or 200 votes. The ratio was the same. And this is where my comfort zone is. Maybe one day I'll get a Mac. I don't know. No.
I'm not a Mac person.
Will has had both. And I will tell you, like, my daughter is a diehard Mac user, and
my wife is a diehard Mac user.
Sydney is a huge Mac user, and I think I would like it. I really do, but for work, my whole life, everything has been HP. So look, we're gonna unbox it.
So this is actually very similar to her work computer. It's just a little bit bigger and an upgraded model of that.
Yes, it has more memory. It has
this is an
more.
Envy. It's I believe it's a 17.5-inch screen. It has, if y'all are nerds like me.
Oh wait, is it upside down now?
No, that's right.
Is that, ooh.
If y'all are nerds like me, it has 16 gigs of RAM. It has a i7 Intel Core processor, and a 512 gigabyte SSD inside.
Okay,
so,
all I'm hearing is blah, 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 number, blah, 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 letter. I don't have a clue. I just know I need to have I have to have as much memory as I could afford. And if I had stayed in the $700 to $800 range completely, it would have had a lot less memory. And I think the processor would have been slower. Those things I understand. So I don't know. Oh, it has the plastic stuff on it. I have to peel that off. I'll let you do it. I feel like I'm in the, if any of you all watch The Big Bang Theory, there's a thing where it's like, I'll let you peel the plastic. Okay, I'm just going to do that so we can open it up. And for those of you that have been so kind to encourage me or congratulate me on doing this, I just need you to know sincerely, I could have pulled up my credit card and I didn't. I paid full on cash for the whole thing. And I don't know that I've ever done that ever for a big purchase like this. So we're just going to try and open it up and see what happens. Oh, it's bigger. Mm-hmm. It's longer than my other. Where's the tab? How do we do this? Oh wait, do I need to pull it this way? Yeah, let me do this one and then you have one over there too. Will it come out? No.
Just losing my mind. I just woke up, y'all.
He's still doing his side hustle. You gonna have enough money to stuff on Monday? We're gonna have some money to stuff on Monday? If you can get it? Okay. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
So part of the reason why I went with this one as well is because she doesn't have to use any adapters. It's really hard to see, but it has an HDMI hookup as well as a USB-C, a USB-A, and then a USB A and an SD reader all in it already. So there's no adapters needed. She doesn't have to go to the store and get a bunch of adapters to either run a monitor.
It has all the different plugs for all the different kinds of things.
So she doesn't have to, if she wants to put it on her monitors or whatever, because she has a work computer with monitors,
HDMI.
She can just run the HDMI straight into it, or if she switches from her phone to an actual camera eventually, like I want her to, she can use an SD card reader and it goes straight into the computer or something else.
Oh, it has all the things I didn't know I needed. Okay, wait, ready? We're just going to see if it will. Look how pretty. Okay, ready? Okay, time out. This is where's the power button? Oh, I was looking on the side. Let's see if it'll power up. I don't know. Oh, does it need, oh, it's doing it.
And then your fingerprint scanner is right there to unlock it.
Do I have to do a fingerprint?
You don't have to. Well, you can just do your finger. You don't have to. It's easier than having to.
Remember my username and my password?
I mean, it will be like a PIN number if it's like mine.
Oh, this is like my computer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well,
and it's touchscreen, and I believe it's a 2-in-1.
It's a 2-in-1. I can flip it over and do a tablet or touchscreen, but I'm used to doing a touchscreen on my computer this way, when I'm scrolling for things on my work computer. But so while it's warming up, and we won't do the whole thing, this is why this is important as well. I also bought a Cricut, which I will be unboxing probably with Will too.
And learning from
him.
Not me. Sydney's the one. I know how to work Cricut. I don't know how to set it all up.
Right. And so I'll probably be setting it up, and I don't know if I want to do that on video, but I just need you to know that I bought the Cricut in November, big time, October, November, big time on sale. But I didn't want to use it because I don't want to use my work computer.
Set up your device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing window.
Okay, sorry. Anyway, so then I'm going to do an unboxing of my Cricut as well. And what that means is now, since I have a work computer that's personal, well, my personal work computer, I can now start setting up my Cricut, and I can start doing what I want to, which is making labels and binders and using my vinyl, and all of this stuff. I'm so excited. I bought so much vinyl that's on sale, and I have all these different colors, and I just haven't been able to do anything with it because I wanted to have the setup be right. So my goal was January, but it's probably going to be closer to late February or March, but I'm so excited. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you, we're going to finish setting it up and making sure it works and doing all of the things, but thank you to this community. Thank you for supporting my small business. Thank you for being supportive of the mini savings challenges. If I can save up $800 in 3 months, so can you. Even if it's $60 or $160, you can do it. You can do it. So thanks you guys for watching, and stay tuned for, I had a sinking funds video that I was supposed to do yesterday, but I was working all day. And then we have the Cricut unboxing, and then we have our 100 envelope savings challenge boxes, which hopefully will have a side hustle. I have my side hustle. And by the way, the 100 envelope savings challenge boxes are ready. They're on my Etsy shop. I made quite a few, so they're launched and ready to go. I think that's it, right?
Yep.
A lot of stuff. Thanks, you guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.